T, aka Natural Debutante, and today we're going to be switching it up, doing something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about vision boards and how to create a vision board. So if you are into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, I do dibble dabble in beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. And if you want this type of content, you want more law of attraction, manifesting, spiritual videos, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well and comment down below and let me know. On Instagram, I talk about this kind of stuff a lot, but I've never done it on YouTube. But back to the scheduled program. So while I was on Instagram, I asked my followers if I should film how I create my vision board. So I am very excited to be showing you this. I really believe in the law of attraction and manifesting things into your life. So creating a vision board is something that I was so excited about this year, and I did it, and I cannot wait for what this vision board can help me to create in my life. So without further ado, I'm going to go through a few steps of how I started creating the vision board and how it came to be. So in order to manifest things into your life, you need to have clarity on what you want, to visualize exactly what you want. I'm closing my eyes because I visualize all the time. It's something I thoroughly enjoy doing. Other vision boards I saw were everybody's vision board is amazing, everybody's different, but they're very cluttered for me. And like when I see clutter, I get very anxious. Yeah, when I see clutter, I get pretty anxious. So I did not want my vision board I didn't want it to be cluttered. So I wanted it to be very organized. So when I looked at it, I can like visualize those goals and raise my vibration. So I am vibrating at the correct frequency to receive these goals that I have. First thing you should do to create clarity in what you want is to understand what your theme of the following year will be. So for me, my theme, the 3 words that I chose are execution, positivity, and gratitude. Gratitude is number 1 for me. And I chose those words for a specific reason. They mean something to me specifically. And after I chose those words, I chose 3 aspects of my life that I really want to focus on. Then I wrote down 3 to 5 goals for each aspect of my life. So with those 3 to 5 goals for each aspect, I made sure to incorporate the 3 themes as well. So gratitude, execution, and positivity are completely scattered throughout the 9 to 15 goals that I wrote down. So after I wrote down my goals, because I had clarity on what I want and what I will be creating in the future. So after I did that, I went on Pinterest. You know you love Pinterest. Everybody loves Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing. So I went on Pinterest and I found pictures that match what my goals are. I'll show you examples of it. But an example is I want to take my mom to Belize in next year because it'll be her birthday. So I have that on my board. I have a picture of Belize. I have something that says Belize. And I have something regarding meditation because I want to meditate more. But I chose specific pictures that not only visually resonate with me, but they directly correlate to my goals. So when I look at that board, then I know exactly what I'm trying to manifest. I can visualize it, like I can visually see it. I know in my mind what the exact goal is, and I just gotta manifest it. I just have to accomplish it and raise my vibrations consistently and work towards these goals so that I raise my vibrations consistently so I'm at the frequency to receive them. But then at the same time, I am working towards that goal. So writing down exactly how I'm going to get A, B, and C. Like, how am I going to get my mom to Belize? How am I going to do A, B, and C? So I first wrote down themes, chose different aspects of my life, wrote down goals for each aspect of my life, and then I created the board. So I went to Michael's and I picked up, first I just got this picture frame here. It was like $10. And I did that because you don't have to do that, but I did that because I wanted to frame mine. I'm putting it up. I want it to be seen. I want to see it on a daily basis so I can consistently be reminded of all my goals. And I know for myself personally, if it's just like a piece of paper or something, I'm probably not gonna put it up. So I also went and got this from Michael's, which was like $2, and it's just like some paper that looks like wood. And I put all of the pictures that I had printed, all the words that I had printed, all the sayings that I had printed out, I put them on top of the board just because it would be a little more visually appealing to me. And I really needed to look good as well as help me to manifest my goal. Because if it's cluttered, I'm going to freak out and we ain't manifesting nothing because I'm gonna be irritated, okay? So that is not the vibration we need to be on. So I'm going to show you my board. So this is my board. So as you can see, I have gratitude up here. I have execution right here. And then I have positivity right here. So I chose gratitude because I think you need to be grateful for things in order for it to manifest into your life. Execution because I have a lot of goals that I need to execute on. And positivity because I really want to be a positive influence in everybody's life, including being positive towards myself. So the 3 aspects of my life that I chose were personal, which is down here, spiritual, which is right here, and business, which is over here. So within those, I have a bunch of different goals. So like I said, I want to meditate more often, more consistently. And so I put a woman on here meditating. It just so happens that she has a fro, so it really meant a lot to me. I really like this. So I printed it because when I see it, I instantly get happy. My vibrations are raised, and then I'm able to attract more abundance into my life when you have higher vibrations, right? So I have that here. I have a bunch of different sayings throughout. So I'm really into the law of attraction. So this saying right here it says, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. And I really do believe this saying. So I really like this one. I put it here. I have a bunch of different sayings, like I'm manifesting the life of my dreams, I believe is what it says. I'm reading backwards, first of all, so that sucks. So that's for spiritual. Then for business, I've white paper over a couple of things because I just don't really want to explain them to people as of right now. Like I'm manifesting this. Once it becomes true, then I will let you know. But for right now, it's gonna stay with me and in my household. So for business, I put my YouTube banner. I put my YouTube banner here because I really want to focus on YouTube a lot and building more connections with people regarding natural hair and spirituality. That is something that I would like to add or incorporate into my channel. So I hope that you guys like this video, and then we can do that. And so there's other stuff on here for business that I'm obviously covering up, and I maybe will show that to you at another time. So we have personal, which is the main focus of the entire vision board. So like I said, I want to take my mom to Belize. So I printed out a picture of the sign in Belize saying Belize. And then she wanted to go here, so that which is in Belize. So I printed that as well. I want to go on more date nights with my fiance. So I printed out like steak and wine because we both love some steak and wine. And I printed out health because I want to become more healthier. I want to be healthier, eat better, and basically I want to ensure that I am maintaining a clean diet for the most part, except for the steak and wine, because I ain't giving it up. But I want to make sure I maintain a clean diet and I'm as healthy as I can be for myself and for the future. And we may need to get a new car in 2020, and I really love Teslas. So I went and found the exact Tesla that I would buy if we have to buy a new car next year. I found the exact Tesla that I want. It is a matte black Tesla, a 3. So it drives itself. A car that drives itself. And it's matte black. And it drives itself, okay? I hate driving. So this I went and found exactly what I wanted, because these things help to raise my vibrations and remind me of my goals that I have. So the main focus of the entire board is this picture here. There's another picture here which I'm covering up of my fiance and I, but my main goal of, not main goal, but one of the main goals of this year is to plan my wedding. And I do plan on getting married in 2021, but I want to plan the wedding and I want it to be a beach wedding. So I have a picture here and I have a picture of him and I right here as well. So the larger the pictures, I think for me, it's like more of like, this is a focus, okay? This is a focus. Like, so this part right here where it's massive compared to like, where it's, we're not massive, where it's a lot larger than the other pictures. This is something that's extremely important to me that I really, really want to accomplish. Then also, obviously this part is like pretty much the biggest part, and I put a bunch of different sayings throughout that help me to be more positive, to express gratitude, and to want to execute on all of these goals. So the board in itself, so I'm gonna set this down. So the board in itself, not only do all of my goals incorporate the 3 themes that I chose, but the board itself incorporates the 3 themes that I chose. So that is how I created my vision board. This is my first vision board. I looked at a bunch of YouTube videos, but I just kind of wasn't feeling the way that everybody did it. So this is the way that I'm doing it. But I'm really happy that I got to do this. I got to do it with one of my really good friends. She invited me over and we did it together, and she did one, her daughter did one, and it was amazing. It was a good time to be around that positive energy and to be manifesting my goals with somebody, to have somebody be on that level with me where they're like, yes, we're going to accomplish this in 2020, and it feels really good. So if you like these types of videos about the law of attraction, manifesting things into your life, or if you're into natural hair or beauty, just comment down below and let me know what type of content you want to see regarding those things, because all of 2020 I am executing. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please comment down below if you use any of these techniques to create your vision board, if this gave you a little more clarity, because the other ones I saw, child, the other vision board stuff I saw, child, they were real messy, and I needed to be clear in my mind so I can like write down how we gonna get from A to Z, okay? A to Z. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.